The first real look at Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, which was showcased at the Galaxy S25 series launch event. Galaxy S25 Edge is officially coming around April. The new handset is indeed slim and packs a key change that sets it apart from other models in Samsung's new flagship lineup. Galaxy S25 series sport a triple rear camera setup. The new Galaxy S25 Edge appears to have a dual camera unit with two distinct lenses stacked vertically at the back. 200MP primary and 12MP ultra-wide units. The design of the S25 Edge's camera module looks like a smaller of the camera island available on the Z Fold 6. It's very thin, just 6.4mm thin profile without the camera module. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge equipped with a 6.7-inch display with FHD plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy S25 Edge powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for Galaxy, paired with 12GB of RAM, and run on Android 15 based One UI 7. It is said to pack a 3,900 mAh battery and feature 25W max charging speeds. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.